Imagine a world where every citizen could directly participate in government decisions. Over 2,500 years ago, the Greeks made this vision a reality with their invention of democracy. Ancient Greece was not the first civilization to govern, but it laid the foundation for modern democratic systems. In the late 6th century BC, Athens began developing a new political system, known as democratia. Direct democracy was a hallmark of Athenian governance, allowing citizens to participate directly in decision-making processes. However, this system also faced challenges such as mob mentality and hasty decisions. Athens' democracy was revolutionary for its time because it allowed citizens to vote on laws, elect officials, and serve on juries. This system was a stark contrast to the monarchies and oligarchies common in ancient times. Despite its flaws, this direct democracy shaped ideas of civic participation, governance, and individual rights. It laid the groundwork for modern democratic systems seen today in Western democracies. The Athenian model influenced philosophers like Plato and Aristotle, who critiqued and refined democratic principles. Their writings continue to shape political theory today, showcasing the enduring impact of ancient Greek democracy. In conclusion, the Athenians' innovative approach to governance over 2 millennia ago set the stage for modern democratic systems. It's a testament to the power of civic engagement and the enduring legacy of ancient Greek thought. So there you have it. Democracy as we know it today has roots in ancient Athens. What other aspects of modern governance can be traced back to this period? Let us know your thoughts.